Yes, you're I'm an arrest for DUI when I blew up 0.0. So I don't believe in you guys.
Every officer will tell you that they have a long list of DUI arrests, and they're never fun. The only satisfaction is taking a dangerous person off of the road. And many DUI arrests make it very different because it's not what the DUI driver does or says, it's what you find inside of the car. And sometimes that makes it even more dangerous than just the one person who was driving. This is one of those.
Stop. Stop your car. Stop.
How you doing, ma'am? I'm Lieutenant Osborne. Do you have any idea why you're being pulled over?
Yeah, sandwich and I went on a one-way street the wrong way.
Yes, ma'am, and you went through a bunch of barricades.
He remembers your kiss.
Okay?
I didn't mean to. I'm just trying to meet friends for...
All right, do you have your driver's license, insurance, and registration?
And I just came to meet with friends.
Okay, all right, well...
I'm sorry.
We got a huge parade going on, and when cars start blowing barricades,
I did not mean to be disrespectful.
Is that your kid in the back?
Yes, yes.
How old's your baby?
She's 14 months.
14 months?
Yeah. How is yours?
I don't have any. No, I don't have any.
Yeah, I'm meeting a friend. We're good. I'm very sorry. I did not mean to go the opposite direction.
I'm already getting some significant indicators that there's likely some type of intoxicant on board with the driver. You got the bloodshot eyes, you got the speech pattern, you got the watery eyes. So these things from the very jump, and the fact that the driving was an issue that caused them to stop her initially, that makes it huge. And then when you have the vehicle occupied in the back by a car seat and a dog, it makes the stop a whole lot different. And you have to handle it a lot differently than you would if it was just one occupant in the car.
We're just trying to go to the to see the lights.
The parade, or?
Yes, sir.
Gotcha.
Not the parade. No, parade's boring.
So what lights are you gonna go see?
The lights that are lit up by the city of Tallahassee.
Oh,
yeah.
by the city of Tallahassee?
Yeah. No, my friend Jennifer works for them, but the parade's boring. I don't know if you guys have been to the parade. It's boring as shit.
Wait, well, we're working it right now where people are trying to get there with their kids and stuff and
I was
driving like that.
disrespectful, and I apologize for that. I was not trying to be dangerous in any way or shape possible.
Go ahead, sir.
Can we just park and y'all give me a ticket? I'm so sorry.
We're still working on the traffic stop. Just give us a second, okay? I'm just waiting to hear back your information.
Do I need to call my lawyer?
You need to call your lawyer?
I don't know. I mean, you're taking a long time. I just want to park and meet my friend.
Gotcha. We're just trying to sort some things out first, okay?
But you're taking a long time, so I think I might need to call my
we're
lawyer.
going to take a little bit, okay?
we're waiting on another unit to come here because I don't think you're able to be driving.
Okay, so a couple of things. As I mentioned in nearly all my videos, that these are edited, heavily edited, so we miss parts of what this investigation entailed, and so we're getting one point of view. The female lieutenant said, we're waiting for another unit to arrive to assist with the investigation, something to that effect. There could be a couple of reasons why, and I'll mention two. One is that there's a person who's certified in doing horizontal gaze nystagmus on HGN, and the other could be the officers that have stopped her are assigned to a special detail. And the special event detail, when you're assigned to those, you can't leave to go to jail. You have to stay at your post, so an on-duty unit will come and handle the business. I don't know that that's the case here, but in Vegas it would happen all the time because we have all these special assignments. And if you're working at, let's say, the MGM at a fight, you'll take the person in custody, and then on-duty units will come and transport the person to jail and conduct the rest of the investigation.
So your behavior and everything that you're giving to me appears to me that you're under the influence. Okay? So that's why you're, at this point, I'm waiting for a unit to come and do a investigation on that point.
Can you maybe call your friend, see if she can come hang out with your child? Will we talk to you?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to have her come over here? We're at the Leon County Public Library on Duval.
I know exactly where we are. I'm not fucking drunk. And she's stupid, thinking she's drunk on fucking power.
Ma'am, just relax, okay?
At that point, I'm getting this aggression, and the fact that I think that I have these indicators, good idea, take the keys away so that the person doesn't drive off. We've seen that happen before.
You're drunk on power. Are you serious? And you obviously have no kids, do you?
We're not going to discuss that here. That my business is not a part of this traffic stop.
My viewpoint. Because you are young and stupid.
Get ready to go in the back of the car.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Don't do this. Okay?
I deserve a ticket?
If you did nothing wrong, let us do our investigation.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Because all you've been looking for is a problem all tonight. I'm sorry you weren't popular in high school.
I just want to let you know all this is going to be on video. So
Go ahead.
If you want to continue with the way you're acting, go ahead.
I'm not disappointed with my actions. Are you?
I am. I quite am, the way you're acting with a child in the back seat of the car. Don't shut the door. You're getting ready to go in the back of the car.
I didn't do anything. Nor am I drunk.
Well, something's going on.
Really?
Okay? So let us do...
Having an attitude is not...
Like I said, ma'am, Let us do our investigation. If nothing is found, then you will go home. You will get your citations and you will go home.
Is this something you're trying to find, ma'am?
Yeah, my phone.
Your phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I was just trying to give you some light to help you. That's all it was.
No, it's not. It's not helping.
Okay.
It's making somebody uncomfortable.
Okay.
So she's digging inside this bag. The bag hasn't been cleared. The vehicle hasn't been cleared. She's being aggressive. The officers are being super professional because what it appears they're trying to do is not upset the child in the car seat in the back. And that's the thing that changes this stop, because a lot of officers at this point may have taken her out of the vehicle and handled business differently. But I take to count that there's a child and a dog inside the car as well. And it appears that the officers are attempting to not upset the child.
I'm just putting a light, ma'am. That's all it is.
Low class.
Okay.
You guys have made me nervous.
Huh?
You've made me nervous.
I've made you nervous?
Yeah.
Why's that?
Because you're fucking accusing me of shit.
I didn't accuse you of anything.
She did.
She's just worried about you.
Okay,
put your hand
don't
in my
talk
face,
bullshit.
please. Don't put your hand in my face.
Don't talk bullshit to
Don't put your
me.
hand in my face, please.
Okay, don't talk bullshit.
You can just leave the keys out of the ignition. You don't need to put the keys in the ignition.
Really? Do you think it's gonna stop beeping if I do that?
I don't really mind the beeping.
You don't know shit.
Why can't you just like do something else where you don't have to make a fucking drunk person
That's all it is.
Doing a what?
Why can't you do something where you don't have to call somebody to do a drunk test?
You have nothing to do tonight.
We're just doing our job.
No, you're not.
I'm trying to.
You're kind of a pervert, and I don't like it.
Keep the door open.
Get the pervert away from me.
No, he's going to stay right
Get the
there.
pervert away from me.
No.
Oh, really? I'm sorry you weren't popular in high school.
I
am not
appreciate
your
that.
problem.
That's fine. You are
You're
tonight.
20, you're like 21,
Oh, thank you
and
for
I'm
that.
about twice your age.
Okay.
You don't have kids. You're not married. You're an idiot. I ask a question. Are you an idiot?
Huh?
Because I'm looking
Well,
for my phone.
and I said we can help you in trying to
What do you
find
help
it.
me with?
If it's in the
Help me find
floorboard
my
over
phone.
there, I can. What would you like me to do that? Because you've done nothing but ridicule me, so I don't want to do something that's not going to be what you want to do.
Get away,
I'm
pervert.
just trying to give you some light,
We're
ma'am.
reaching in a car. We do not know what's in this car. Okay? He has every
Really?
right to look at that.
You're an idiot if you think
Are
so.
you ready to get in the back of the car? Will that make you feel more
Seriously?
comfortable?
I have a dog and my daughter in the car.
Yes, I
I'm here to
understand.
meet friends
Okay.
for the Festival of
Do
Lights.
you have somebody that we can call if we get your phone that can come and get your daughter?
Yeah, of course I do.
Okay. Is the phone in the floorboard over there?
I just decided I was
If the perfect gets away from me, I'll be okay to find it.
my life.
Step right here, okay?
I have my own life.
All right.
What's your name?
Many years
I'm
ago
Lieutenant
before I
Austin.
was born, and this was the
Lieutenant.
way
Yes,
that
ma'am.
Well, good. I'm cousins
to
with
also
Sergeant.
listen actively. So that
I
we
prefer
can
you not
hear
smoke
our
while we're talking.
I don't give a fuck. It's my car, not your
and
place.
we can hear
Oh, we're not gonna smoke.
that were being
Okay.
told to
You're
us.
not gonna do anything. You're not gonna
We're
tell
not
me what
gonna
to do.
smoke.
This is my car.
9 years old.
Just wait.
Just wait.
You can
Okay.
smoke after.
Let the
My
officer.
car.
Okay. Yes, I understand that.
To my ears.
Okay.
Okay, first off, I like the tactical bone on the lieutenant, the smoking debate. So as officers, if we're dealing with a person, we will almost always have them stop smoking. Now, the challenge is you're gonna get people say, I'm an adult, I can smoke if I wanna smoke. Don't tell me what I can and can't do. I get that argument, but if you're on a legal car stop, a legitimate car stop, there are some safety challenges that we're going to prevent you from doing. And there are just little small nuances in each one of those situations where you're going to prevent a person from smoking that I would have to see the exact incident and what they were specifically doing when they went to light up a cigarette, because a cigarette can 100% be considered a dangerous tool that can be flicked on a person. I mean, there's a lot of different things, but you have to decide, are you going to set the person off to a point where you're going to have to go hands-on and escalate the situation? So you just have to think through that, and every officer is going to have to make that decision on the scene. Just like Pennsylvania v. Mims, you can get the person to step out of the vehicle for officer safety. The courts are going to look at what's reasonable under the circumstances. In policing, if ever you're confused about a situation, understand that the court's word that they're going to look at is what you did reasonable. And is it reasonable under the circumstance with an aggressive person that's smoking, that they may flick a cigarette into your face or blow the smoke into your face to cause some kind of confusion? I mean, there's just so many things that you have to look at. Is there a specific law that says you are not allowed to smoke in the presence of a police officer while you're on an investigative stop? I don't know of that law, but there are other laws that would make it a lawful order that an officer could give you that would be considered reasonable for them to ask you to not smoke under the circumstance. If there's no law that says just, swinging a golf club around while you're standing next to an officer. I mean, what's that law? You're just swinging a golf club or holding a baseball bat. They're going to ask you to put the baseball bat down. You have to look at each situation and understand when you do things that are not necessarily written down, is it reasonable to ask a person to do something or not do something?
That's not going to help the issue. We're asking not to stroke, okay? Just be respectful of that at least, okay?
I'm not sure what her name is, but she's just be prepared for it.
Good, how you doing? Where you going?
I was going to meet my friends at Andrew's restaurant. I was trying to find a parking spot. I went the wrong way in a one-way street right here.
Over here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I did it on purpose.
You did it on purpose?
Thinking I could get away with it.
Okay.
And these people pulled me over, and they're just so indulgent. And
Indulgent?
yeah, like thinking, "Oh my God, we got you now,"
Okay. So, I would like to do some
Sure.
sobriety tests
Go
with
ahead.
you.
Go ahead.
SFTs if you want to, if
Yeah.
you would like to participate in those.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure you're safe to drive home.
Yeah.
Would you mind doing
Yeah,
this with me?
obviously that is what is necessary for me to proceed from this moment.
Okay. Are you okay if an officer hangs out over here with your child and make sure they're okay
First off,
while we do it?
I don't want anybody with my child except for me.
Okay. So we do have to just kind of walk over here though, just to make sure it's like a flat area. That way you can do it.
Fly?
A flat area?
Flat?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
The ground needs to be flat for me to do the SFTs
Okay.
with you. So we would just need to walk over here to do that.
Okay.
Yep.
I want to lock my door in every single thing, and I don't want anybody with my daughter except for me.
So you're just gonna leave your child in the vehicle?
I'm not going to leave my daughter with some officer after the way this officer has treated me.
Do you mind just cracking the windows for her just so she has some air? So we're not leaving her in a locked car?
Do you mind just rolling down the window a little bit for her so she has some fresh
I
air?
heard what she said.
Okay, I was just making sure.
I'm questioning it.
Question giving fresh air
I
in the
just want her to
vehicle.
be able to have
It's not about fresh air.
Nobody's going to mess with your daughter. We're not going to go in the car and get her out. We just want her to be safe.
I'd rather talk to you.
Okay, that's fine.
So I always mention this in my videos. The officers on scene, you have to answer this question yourself. When you look in the mirror, am I in the shape to be in the fight of my life? Because it can happen any given shift. It's not like football, any given Sunday. Any given shift, are you prepared to be in the fight of your life? And there is definitely a person who is willing to do something to you when you attempt to stop them. That person exists in every single jurisdiction. Are you ready and prepared to deal with that person?
All right, we're gonna just use this line first, okay?
I'm going to take these shoes off because I'm not.
That's fine. You can take them off. If you want to just like set them over here aside for me. And if you could just kind of step on this line right here.
It's on what line?
This line right here.
Listen,
Yep, right there. That's fine. Okay, so I'm going to begin the SFTs, all right?
SAT.
SFSTs, the field sobriety test. Okay. I'm going to check your eyes, all right? Just look at this stimulus, which is going to be the tip of this pen, okay? And follow the stimulus with your eyes only. Do not move your head. Keep looking at the stimulus until told the test is over. Do you mind getting a flashlight for me? She's just going to hold the flashlight for me, okay?
Hold up a little high.
Yep.
I'm just look right
So
here.
you're just going to look at the tip of the pen right where my finger is, okay?
Sure.
You just keep your head straight and just follow with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Really don't trust that lady.
That's fine. But it's just as standardized, okay?
Sure.
Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
All right.
Just try to keep your head straight if you can.
Are you certified to do this?
I am. That's why I'm here.
Okay.
I'm assisting him. But you don't have to do these exercises. These are completely voluntary.
I know
Just
they
so you
are.
know. So if you don't want to continue, that's fine.
I already know this. I'm an attorney.
Okay.
All right. So would you like to continue?
Yes.
I've explained HGN so many times, but I continue explaining because every day, every video, there are new viewers and I out of respect to them, I just want to quickly explain HGN. It's a test that you have to be certified in, where the officer takes a stimulus, the person follows it with their eyes. A nystagmus is an involuntary jerking. Horizontal is the way we normally do it. There's also a vertical nystagmus. It's a 6-point test to see if the person can smoothly pursue the stimulus with their eyes. And that's how you do the HGN test. Another interesting point about HGN is that during that certification, you have to have a group of people that come in to drink alcohol. And those people have to come, sign in, and bring a driver to make sure that they have a driver to drive them home. I actually participate on both sides of it, and I did the part where you're the person that drinks, and they document every single thing. And you have to stay there for an extended period of time to see when you're coming up, when you're coming down, when HGN is on set. It's a very, very interesting process. It's possible that your police department is looking for people who would participate in that process. Go through the Citizens Academy in your area or the Traffic Bureau. Call the non-emergency traffic bureau and say, hey, do you need anyone to help do the HGN test? Because officers have to be certified. You can't just do it.
Do you want to continue?
I mean, I feel like I should call somebody to just defend me because this is being stupid.
It's completely up to you if you would like to
I
do the
don't
test.
like her around me.
That's fine. I'm talking
Okay.
with you. She's not talking with you.
You can do it.
That's fine.
I don't want
Do
her
you
around
want to
me.
continue with these?
I want to go. I just wanted to go meet my friends, and you guys are.
Is that yes or no?
Yes.
So you would like to continue with the test?
And we're not going to keep stopping every 5 seconds because you don't agree with what we're doing. We're doing what we have to do. So if you keep stopping us, then we're going to take that as a refusal.
All right.
Does that make
All right,
sense?
South Florida.
I'm just letting you know, we're not going to sit here all night and
All
argue
right,
with
South
you
Florida.
about
You're
what
not
we're
from
doing,
here,
so.
are you? It's quite obvious.
So you would like to continue?
Yes.
Okay.
Does our light have to be in my face?
Yes, I just have to be able to see your eyes. So just watch my finger.
Well, then use these
Watch my
lights.
finger, please.
What do you want me to do?
Watch the tip of my
Watch
finger.
this. Watch this little button right
The
here.
tip of the finger, yes.
Watch your
where my
finger,
finger
or
is.
this little button.
The button or your
The
finger?
tip of my finger.
Okay.
Okay?
Can you imagine you want to just go meet your friends and you're looking for a parking spot and you take a chance going the wrong way on a one-way street?
Yeah.
No, please do not arrest me.
Go ahead,
Wait.
turn around. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
My daughter is my
I
car.
understand.
Is there someone that can
I
come get
have
her?
to call.
Is there someone that can come get her?
Please.
Listen, do not tense up on me.
I'm sorry.
We are going to work it out with you, okay, for your daughter.
My dog and my daughter is in my car.
I understand that. We're going to work that out with you.
I need to call my attorney. Right now.
We're stepping into the car. Passenger side? Yes. Can you get unlock the
Yes.
car? Let you
My
walk
daughter's
over.
in the
I got
car.
it.
My dog is in the car. You guys are fucking dicks. You're fucking dicks. You're fucking assholes.
Stop.
You're,
Turn around.
you're fucking
Stop.
asshole idiots.
Stop.
You didn't fucking even finish the test because you don't like what I said.
No, because
You
you
guys-
didn't finish the test. It's good. You're good to go. The camera's on.
Yeah, before put it there, just grab the key.
Okay. Listen, I have not.
Tell me what is going on right now. because
Right
my
now,
daughter is
you're
in
under
the-
arrest for DUI.
I didn't do anything. I'm in arrest for DUI when I blew a fucking 0.0. So I don't believe in you guys for nothing. Look that shit up. Look that shit up. I blew a 0.0.
Look towards the car.
You're on fucking antidepressants. I can see in your fucking dilation of your eyeballs.
Where your keys at?
I was arrested for DUI when I blew a 0.0, and you guys are fucking idiots. Get away.
Hey, do not kick. Do not kick a police officer.
I didn't, you dumbass, but I thought about it.
She kick you?
Yeah, sure.
All right, battery, Leo.
Oh, you idiot. It's only the third time, you stupid idiot. Oh, well, now you have it back on you, and that's on fucking camera.
Do not kick another officer.
I didn't kick him, you dumbass.
We have it.
I have it on my camera.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Broward County.
You're in the wrong county. This is
Go
Leon.
fuck yourself. You're not from here either. You're the only one that's here. The guy that's touching me right now is the only one I trust. And all you guys
Jessica,
are
get
stupid
in the car.
idiots.
Sit down in the car.
I need you to talk to me.
Sit
and tell
down
me
in
what
the car.
fuck is going on?
Sit down in the car.
I need you to
Swing
talk
your
to me.
feet in.
We told you you're under arrest for
Swing your feet
My
in.
key is on top. My phone is on top of the car.
In custody, sometimes the refusal is easier than having to do the FSTs. If you have enough observations and the person is being like that and they're not really doing the test, we consider that a refusal, and sometimes that's a lot easier than going through some of the FSTs because you're still going to go for your evidentiary test, which is what is going to be heavily looked upon. And I've mentioned this in my other videos, and remember we have 50 states, so it's a little bit different in every state. It's blood or breath. With blood, it's intrusive. You're going to end up having to get a warrant unless there's some type of exception or exigency where you can't get a warrant. Nowadays, you can get a warrant really quickly. I mean, they have telephonic warrants, electronic warrants, and their judges available all the time. So if you're going to go for blood, you're going to end up getting a warrant for the most part. Breath is not necessarily considered as intrusive, and if a person consents, you can get either one. And if a person refuses, every state has some measures that they take that are administrative that they will do to the person's driving privileges, and every state has it a little bit differently. So understand that the two things for sure are blood and breath, and blood is definitely more intrusive. And there are Supreme Court rulings that specifically two blood draws.
Your mom is coming. Okay.
She lives in Tennessee. It's an hour away.
Your mom is in Wakulla.
I heard you. I know that already.
Perfect. She's on her way over here.
Okay.
We're gonna have an officer stay with your daughter and your dog until she gets here.
Fantastic.
Then your mom will pick her up and your dog.
Okay.
I have shoes, I have your phone, and I have your ID.
You will find complications with this later in your life. I promise you. And you can be as astute as you want about it. Stupid. No degrees. No master's degrees. No upper graduate degrees. Not even a bachelor's. Idiots!
Here we have the arrest was made, and this is an incredibly challenging part for officers. When you have to make an arrest for a person, especially if they're acting in this manner and the child witnesses that occur with the parent, it's very, very challenging. It's one of the least fun things that a police officer ends up having to do. And a lot of times the arrestee makes it even more difficult. So under the circumstances, if a person's being arrested, this lady had someone to pick up her child and her dog. Let me explain to you what happens normally if there's no one to pick up the people. The child gets taken into a government agency until they can find a person who can legally take the child. And sometimes it's not the parent, because the parent ends up in custody for an extended period of time. Under this type of DUI situation, I would imagine that it would be an extended period of time. But however, this lady had someone pick them up. And then if it's a dog or an animal, then animal control ends up having to come. And then that animal has to sit inside of a little small space until they get picked up. And I hope that this lady got the help that she needed. I hope that the child didn't go through anything after having to experience this, or the dog for that matter. It looks like in the original video, which you can look at, again, it's pinned. It says the person pled no contest to DUI, resisting with violence, and reckless driving. So those were the charges, which gives me an opportunity to thank a group of people and shout out a group of people when I watch this kind of thing. And it's someone who is one of those, again, unsung heroes. It's CPS workers, Child Protective Service workers. That has got to be one of the most challenging jobs that exists on the planet, to see the most vulnerable people in these horrific situations and know that you just have your shift to work to try to help them get into a safe place. And many of you are parents as well, and you've helped out on many of my cases, and I'm taking my hat off to you, and I appreciate you. And those of you who watch, please chime in that you are one of those people, and let's give them some love in the comment section, because what you do is an incredibly important task and function. Keep doing what you do. Shout out to CPS workers, and for young aspiring people who want to go into law enforcement, consider CPS. I mean, they do great investigations in many jurisdictions. They have law enforcement authority in many ways as well. So shout out to you guys. If you like this kind of content, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the video that's on your screen for more content just like this.